You probably didn't know this, but there's a country in the European Union, precisely in the Schengen zone, that doesn't require international students to pay tuition fees. Blocked account is not required for your visa application, and you can travel with your spouse and kids. The time it takes to get permanent residency is relatively short. So in this video, I'll be revealing the name of this country, where it is precisely located, how you can apply to study in this country. I would also be sharing important information about when applications open, when it closes, when resumption starts, and everything else you need to know. The visa application process for this country is actually very straightforward, and if you're in Nigeria or any other African country, you're in luck because there's an embassy that can process study visas for this country. So guys, I'm very much aware that everyone has different plans for relocation. So if your plans are to relocate via study or work, I would really love to know your thoughts. So leave a comment in the comment section. Picture this. You're going to classes in the morning and you're seeing waterfalls on your way to the class. This country is full of natural beauty and you would not find this anywhere. The people are warm, the cities are peaceful, and life moves at a calm and easy pace. This is one of the most peaceful countries in Europe and the people there are easygoing. As a student, you also get a Schengen visa, which means that you can travel to nearby countries like Germany, France, Norway, and the Netherlands. The visa process is student-friendly, and many more African students are continuing to discover this hidden gem. Now, if you love nature and you want a fresh study abroad experience, then Iceland is the perfect destination for you. In Iceland, education is absolutely free, both at bachelor's and postgraduate level, including master's degree, PhD, and postgraduate studies. All you're required to pay is a token for your application fee, which usually costs between 50 and 150 euros depending on the school that you apply to. So if you're looking to resume in August next year, for example, this is the time for you to put your documents together so that once admission opens in November, you're able to apply. There are 4 public universities in Iceland that offer English taught programs. We have Hólar University, the University of Iceland, the Agricultural University of Iceland, and finally we have the University of Akureyri. Now let's take a look at the programs available in some of these universities. The first university I'll be talking about today is the University of Iceland. As you can see, this is the website, and I will be leaving every useful link in the description. Okay, all you need to do is click and it will bring you here. Now let's click on all study programs to see the programs that are available in this university. Now you can filter by academic level, and you can also filter by the study mode. You can also filter by specific faculties, okay? And now let us click on international programs. So it only shows us programs that are available for international students. So now we've clicked on this, we can scroll through to see under social science, we have doctoral in anthropology, we have masters in anthropology, we have masters in applied biotechnology, doctoral in applied ethics, and so many other programs. Okay, let's go on to see what we have on the 3rd page. Here we have doctoral in biology, masters in biology, doctoral in biostatistics, we have doctoral in business administration. You know, we have a lot of programs, so you just simply need to come here, click on a particular program, and you see the application period. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a particular program to use as an example. So let us search for computer science. Okay, we can see that there is an international program of masters in computer science. Some universities will insist that you provide English language test. There are other universities that would waive the English language requirement for you if you have studied in an English speaking country. While tuition fees are not required for these universities, you will be required to pay registration fee when you arrive in Iceland. So bear that in mind. I will be leaving links, okay, so you can go and read properly about the specific registration fee for each course and in each university. Now, this is the website of the computer science master's degree program at this university, and you can scroll down to see more about it, okay? Now, when you have looked through it and you feel like you want to apply for this program, all you want to do is click on application portal up here. When you do that, you can open an account. When you open an account, you can then apply and submit your application. So the second university I'm talking about today is the Hólar University, and this university has mostly agriculture related programs. So you can come here and click and you can see the requirements for each program. So how can you actually apply? All you simply need to do is click on this apply button, okay? And then you create an account and then you apply just like the previous one. And it is the same for all the other universities. Now, the third university is called the University of Akureyri. The processes are very similar. All you simply need to do is click on study. You look for the program that interests you, okay? And then you apply. Here we're going to click on degree seeking students because we're trying to apply for, let's say, a master's degree or a bachelor's degree. Now, if you're looking at PhD, you click here. If you're looking at graduate programs like master's degree or postgraduate degrees, you click on any of this, okay? And then if you're looking to study undergraduate programs, you can come here and click on course catalog and you can see all the undergraduate programs available. You can see that it is clearly stated here that the only programs available and taught in English are listed here. So if you're an English speaker, these are the only programs that concern you. Now, the fourth university that I'll be talking about today is the Agricultural University of Iceland. All you need to do is come and hover over the study button here, and then you see the undergraduate studies, graduate studies, and you can select the specific program you want to apply for, and then you can apply after that. Okay. Now, if you need assistance, okay, this process can be a bit tedious for some people, depending on how experienced you are with international applications. So if you require personalized assistance with your application process, feel free to contact Oceanhead Study Abroad. I will be leaving useful links in the description, and you can email the address on your screen right now to get professional help. Click the subscribe button, give the video a big thumbs up, and share with your friends and family because I know they will find value with this. And until my next video, guys, stay kind and stay blessed. Bye.